da braka in Nigeria ne Sebia Egypt ho ba bi so so ba ho no a emben emman
ne ma bi say koso a wo te ho no asem de emmem kora
but ne ado ni de aben we share the first recorded case here na pay that here free Nigeria na is aben
enti no ye hwe ne Ebenezer ode
but masem bisane say are we ready as a country na say na metete say airport uduru ha una mutroka na ya ma phone bi na feli wi ape eno ano no
da say nipa na mutroka so wonna mutroka no sika Ghana Health Service for demand ye say ebetumi aboa ama preparations no matumi aye no ne ye release ama wo no enuru half was saying quarter and ye dia mom ntino sometimes you don't blame omo a e wo say omo ye adwan so na obedu airport na yes airport no mo hwe preparations no o maye no honom no a na che say utimi say eniema koyie e wo say omo de ye adwuma no so no
once the last time I in Ghana Health Service for share na omo ka say initial budget am de koto abanyanim 35 million Ghana cedis
yes
say ka say mu be 2.5
and the amount percentage na saying percentage na saying in ya wa hodo ni bi wo hono mo a ye asa ye di agro wo ho and polio immunization o my ni o ma wie sesia wunim se na si asanya tiate se Ghana ha ye drew stage bia Ghana mpempenso edu ye no mo si o ya free polio free a chese Ghana ha polio cases ne bi ni habiem ana obi nim ne si ye sa twon mu da ya this time ni omu ye no nipa say 40 something from Ghana Health Service for hwe mu omu ye no eti ya ye na san ya bawura mu hwewa obi aho adwiri no
yo a word no now you see no ya te die and I pay one of the dailies H1N1 a car your boy it's one of the our front pages about
sir a car your boy na
ohwehwe mame
no CJ who say eya na ya ni ko ho ni a car your boy wo ho no emfa so e de bre ye ne sen utim say ye boss aka no ni enya bibi efiri mu a na che say yatumi ayade na emom say ye bebo ka no ana say ye mmoka no na de ya ye ne beba se ne ne polio na san atwiniti ba no a na che say ayehu na polio no ho nsam de onim CJ ye beje bre ne de nsam bi atwidwa efa ho which one N1 no wo say ewo hefa
ewo mu
izenkrata mehwe mu hai ana hwe no baby abaha wahu the Ghanaian Times anim na asasemi ewo was Ghana ye lusu 25 million Ghana cedis to H1N1 2010 and 2011 due to failure plan against disease Auditor General report to you dey wahu ade na say ye tumi plan esiesie ye ho a enkaka no anye kese be sense we no hwe was due to failure to plan against the disease that means ye ntumi am plan amfa ho eti the bonkrata ne de ya ene wode abetu wonie ana grasage for so no do wono abetu mo get found papa dom level ni hwehwe mu ode betu dwane bie no ene grasage mpanim for say ade na yese Ghana fo obu wani agu niema bi so ye ni so na list aba ye nwe ne ntwe so wo se mpanim fo should go back they should go back na yenko abakosemu list da ho no mu firim ne santen empanimfo a wonum ye needy by brilliant ministers anasa wo ma esikafo ma ya de sa scholarships na ma wo nyina no yenko back na asotwe bi ese no yemfa ma official list no abande we na ye krokro de dwon kakra bi na abeto ho no mo no na wo mu a CJ wo ho a na obi ayi bi abrew wo ho a no na wo hwe list no amanfo a wo ma enya sa scholarship
agria so say asemi beto dwai NDC for bi no matiko apai hey NNPP for na wamanya scholarship and so you would have said it was under the NDC administration and MPP for womunya scholarships na eno no na ya politicians
assembly say bana wan tobo ne be wiase I to say ye news aye kan ne the story bi aba no kwa yiri twan na si wo na wo chem wo be kan ye adurase na abehwe na ye o papa
yo
na fe wanim na anyinyen asemi ba ye MPs no omba abonten ba ko be ka say yen se charge omo na be ye kura ye ntwe omo so nye denden no ukom no so na yira gibia kosuku
yo
wahu eti eniema ni bi wo hono mo a wo mu nyina dukata ya wo mu nyina wuyi obi afiri mu enyeye eti gasa for de say yenkom na asotwe bi wo ho an ye sese mpanimfo de ma no wo mfa emma no ena DJ for so I say kromfo aba ofie na wafre wo be fra mbedu people no mdidede na pamomo DJ for abam DJ for say ne course wo parliament no na no speaker chese ruling your maye fiat ya wo issue ye eka chense ntwerefo say se muwura parliament ase ya accreditation media mammo no media mammo samontena ha na monkova ne ekoso hanko a
enya ne ekoso abonten
yempon ya mamusi abonten order from above be here and DJ for say na dia asem no
ehia me ba o
dear partner speaker wo
me reporting free parliament da sabi wo de because the first na we yed me bra na wugina mu pa no Edwin mo time Edwin oguso ho
say onadwuma do
say o prempa go
say lawyer penny lawyer penny
say sitting koso wo parliament main chamber ho correct me but it me ba say speaker nya hoho ewo ni chamber ewo ni office bia penny bia ba besra no enso sem trefu yi mo so mo wo chamber ho main chamber ho enso mutimi free ho yetimi be frem kwasa speaker nya ho enti mo nkwana mo kokwa ana so bia na committee sitting bi ekoso na sitting no so ekoso ana entimi nsisa
etumi si if say ye fa bibi committee bi to say public accounts committee and appointment committee vetting committee no say two committees no omotai sete wa bra sitting na ekoso
okay
enti e bia ye bekwa anopa no mpaye wo so omobo mabo awie vote of proceedings o maye anu awie eti omu wie a na main asemu a edapono so no especially when ye pass bill bi na do second reading amendment ye wo so omo ye ne de and the MPs na akora no dodo na antena ho from tete ye MPs bi omo na omo ye sa adwuma no maami ye chief of staff say Mami free more private. W obu afwa we free parliament. Ene uba minority side ne so a Haruna Idrisu Mama Yarga ene some few people be ebedu ono mo nkwa no mte ho. Ebedu ono mo nkwa no mte ho no mo. Enti no say ye tena se e wo house ho na media no kokova another assignment e wo house ho no ma de e koso da. Even committees ni bi sete e me ye ko. Ba we no asemwe no problem e wo ho ne say minority for ne say ya boycott state of the nation address main one no president by ya boycott and na debate no so ya san twe ye ho afiri mu eti mimi hu ne say ne ha mpanimfo ne say se koba ne say masore makomba bi mo se monye na ya nkasa so ye say debate no na mo san fa akire asa conference ntwerefo say enye minority fo ni nyina po one member of parliament say me wasam kanti mo mesene enu na me hu ni say a majority side no ba say bin see da na media na anya de
enya asem fufuro
me hu ni say speaker wo bibia ono wan members no ni omo house no na wo so kasa che omo say eye minority no say eye hifo if say media no de ade we me hu boni ayaye wo ho na nra no when say majority leader and minority leader ko shia nsem twefo na the bonka ta dia tudwa se mpanimfo ko shia wo mo na omo di tudwa so speaker asem no awo kana te se ne wo no maame na edi nkomo nye ade dindin bi enti omo ntwa so sa abre na so na speaker so te house wo san ahye mu kena se masam na me ka ye no munni so we majority ni minority leader here press conference no na speaker so house wa
no
no so chese bufu no wom eti sese do tia sese di na ho no mo bin kranche se o matumi asiesie amayi atoyi etu de yemfa nso ho a sese wo bega o se o monga gi media no yenye yadwuma nti ye be koso aye ye ne o matena che ye be koso aye na daily graphic so enie daily graphic say yanhwe ye wodoma nkwabo bra atwa ye ho ahia ensase ensuo kwanya ye fa so pa ne ese no no say yanhwe ya Ghana ebedu bribi no emframa ye be humi nyina be ye poison ensuo ye be no be ye poison ye nuane a ye die be ye poison ensa wo kofam a galamse ye tu no honom ne ye nro France ase no ana nsuo no so ye hohoro ho gumu ani so nro na ye di gumu nsuo no so ne ye nomo eti sa banche na ade be hyefam a banche no a wo kwa akotuo no ya se ne dada kane niema bi a wo to atimi de to wa be na wo twe na nse tomato so ebe sesi ebe process yes nti se yanhwe na oduma nkwabo bere atwa ye mo achia yansesa se ne esi se no mu a oha obeba asempa beba ene yeda so wa anu amu na metiofo kokobo mo dia bayi wo mo si nsuo beto na nsuo nto keke nsuo beyiri enkran kumase takra dem ya wodo bi wo hono mo a yem prepare na ni nyina ne sije so mo ka ne se ya na atusikasem se wan se nsuo no nhyase ase eto eti bibi te se kaneshi gates no sa abre ni ebetumi atim wodo na no sa abre ni ebetumi atim se ya anya ni nyina yesi nsuo no to a ebeyira faye eti sa fi kokobo na bantem sa fi nsuo no to na yira faye na chese yamfa yebefa
ekuya
yebefa
yemfo
this time they abantem yebefa yebefa we nyina hia sika nya banko a yemfa sen yebefa uhwe nhye yampanimfo edi kan dia ba betu dwa no a yebefa yemfa sen
nkani be ka bienta
no chese
ha na mete
ne bienta na chese yemfa the daily statement there ya wode aba na minim ni enti a daily statement no de headline we na ba ye was mampani dada ma ne running mate no wongu ne rama ne bedia ne rama ne running mate ben na ebewu was Pastor Jackson pastor be a friend Pastor Jackson and wode atudwa say na sa manfo suro JDM ye kase we na be no running mate na asa manfo suro san hwe ya na mikowu na asofo ne si o wa be running mate no bibo
suro bi anim
wose wo ba wungu nyameka chese ye nkanto ba bia se wo be ye no running mate a wo be wunti mo bia emohu daily heritage so de ye ode abani yes nurses won wo buafuo wo mo se wo mo fan de wo se ye di sika tumo hyehyɛ ye wo se ye no panimfo aye eniema se nwonwonan e de amabon eti nurses won so o madwa wo ha se ye nya de won krata ye a ebi ewom mama yarga en wonnie boko central na hyebedwani sa constituency ne de wo MPB obetena so bia ne jama court efiri ayi sakinda breso no they say court no etetare o musa na da won krata say mama yarga jamanku otukwan eno wo yesu otukwan na benfo se obetukwan abeje permission won se magu court doso otukwan anje se obeje permission
ya sem no akwaye no
se baby adru no se baby adru no eti mama yarga case no wone ne papa father and son asem no se o ka se ne papa ne Martin Midu wo hu one ne papa asem no yesi obetukwan a je se wo je permission ansa na watumi akọ ena daily dispatch so adibia ba media nsem ya ne parliament na nura mpanimfo mienu kohia ansantwefo de kotu dwa se o ena ade ne speaker na wo mini se ne mo ka no ntimu ntwa so ena ansantwefo ne se ne se leader abepa che o se ohun obi apology o mo pedien apo no kura mu nya na logi abeka ho wasi asem na speaker kan ye no boni biye ni ho ade amaye no enye na so mo kan mo so wo mpache wo se sa ache opa ne de na hi emma enya de se beba ama woni a wo pese wo begie no wonsa beka na daily guide so enie na daily guide na sa wo hwe animu a niebo ho no mcha mofosu ampofu nsem de momfoma de na wo dane na wo ba ne fom a wo se parliament e wadwu sei fom nra ne esi ye no a ehu nsem bia na wo se ye sei de niema mu adwo wo mra hye badwam dede bia eni ho no mo na si je sei wo ko unse papers na ya wo foreign news no wo ba bia be fa bia coronavirus no sene esi kosoro no na de bonkata no omode hu nkontabuo aba eti ne bia da die
akuya se wo kai se beye mfie miensani yeyi nipa mienu bi adi ETG Ghana eyi nipa mienu bi adi ema koimpo efra wo musample Petroleum and Chemical Workers Union edikoto Labor Commission enim senka compensation bi wo ho yemfa mo mfie miensani sa compensation yemfa mo enti wo mo keka wo mo ho na mamekwa homa no so na mene Ora Bernard Owusu General Transporters Petroleum and Chemical Workers Union wo mo dwem training oro nso mo akwa
ya mi aminia ide
ba do so ho ye de
oba de no de atay
ya de nyame ase for 3 years me gidi say madi mo nkrofo ya yeyi wo mo adi mo pre compensation ede ama wo mo anamonto no den na maya fa ho a enei asa etwetwe na ya senti mo bon training sa hwa mo beti atuan Rose
yedi kan me fa wakunya first of the case na me chia kana for a we tie Adom FM anopai ebe ye nfie me ansani na yenuanom yenu a oboye adwuma wa ETG Ghana yeyi o madi ya demre o motifia o mane o moyere ni o mobutuafo etrefom onia ye de atemi ko dan eye Labor Commission ama Labor Commission ebua ama yense yenuanom na kwan ye fa so a ye yi o madi no enye kwan papa no ye reinstate o mo da yentua o mo compensation emfa mo minia ebefille ya bo ETG Ghana for we fee na Labor Commission no so omu ma rule say na say aduma ni wura no em person implement ya ya what say omu ye ni say so omu timi de court na court here then enforce that different judgment enye the empamai nyina mu no ya twan ya ntie me nsani enya dia yenya friend mwa ye papa dia na ye tuma no so aye no so minya normal big brebi so ekoko so e wo sector no me wo takra de ne first class e chama se sia ne ye wo ma mo kan ye ho aye no mo eye aduma no akoye din amai kakra enti ye ko ye last meeting ye regional council meeting takra de na ye come up with a resolution mpanimfo ahwe normal retake yenuanom normal make sure so ama yenuanom a said yo madwuma mo ya affected ewo a friend and the oil and gas sector ni ma ye be to atia a friend mpanimfo
well but me timi hu say Money Labor Commission in Kitahudie on these issues over the last 3 years say I am positive because say they are the regulators, the Labor Commission. Woman almost share my phone in also. And to one so then one more eka de afasa nsemi Rose. I see.
Your person can say and intina your person your fear so editor enough is enough.
And mama timeline again na mo pesa mo ye
yes the ya pesa ye ni say ya mba ya the letter akoma the regional police command say by 2 weeks time no say ya anti dia ya be start picketing na picketing na ya be picketing di president takrade more any other affiliate your president companies are omo share ETC Ghana aseno ya be picketing ewo after picketing no na see anti dia they will go on a full-blown demonstration across the length and breadth of Ghana. Affiliate ni no ebele or that over there with the companies almost share ya tini be a Metro Mass, STC, Boss, Top, KLM, Aviance, Alberton, Modec, a lot of your president, tanker drivers, any of their gauge can you know asema ye kan mpanifo entie na super na momu amse it's near trip na ye kan na ye mini de asati ye no ejino obo hwe na mu tie asem na sabi ina dwell
okay and then quick one ansana meja kwan release am sashas here say Tolo oil and a Cosmos Energy bond training say madwuma efo bi ye bele wo mo off eno so mo to task ban say aban embrem dey pa na ekoso orowusu
abi ni ame ye ekoso ni say Talo any Cosmos so beti a dey busumi ni omo CEO no resign head of exploration also resign na the wo adwuma na say wote ensem bi say a no hu say ibi enkoyi na yedenia ahwehwe mu no Talo asamo kan say Ghana production na omo ye na kopom because of that you know on person omo cut it down the queen woman say Talo any Cosmos they try say be unionize omo abeka union no but the omo panifo no e disika down say o dia omo pese ye mo omo biaro be ya mo na hu hia so ba be join union no into mama megan but the year asemi abaya omani etutu aka omani no omabaya ho se no omo yen try say bit my den aboa omo na emom no oba the supporting services companies ni bi o ha omo ne Talo ni Cosmos ye duma omo say afia omo ka ye union no so ho a the affected Talo e be affected your friends ye nkop no nti ye kan say e what say aban etimi ba out na oka eche ye nyina de e koso e wo Talo any Cosmos because Sunday no akoye hu obi hu enye efo ente ehu ene koda na bi abeto metuba yefo no so Sunday no eya ade a ha efrede say ha adwuru enti de befre say ye omampani ne na pam for the Ministry of Energy ni ade no omumra out no mumma ye hu exactly ade a ekoso e wo Talo ene Cosmos because no ye the see it pass ye ba be yi ko po dia wan hwa na ye nuanu ma omo ye Ghana fo no mum na ye be yi omo di na abrofo na omo mum e ba be pe bibi afri ye ha do mum no obo mum no betra na ye nkofo no mum ya de ye yi won edi enti etre say aban mrem labor commission Brazil labor petroleum commission Ministry of Energy ene benifo asabi okabi no omo mra bonte no mo nche ye ekoso e wo Talo the Cosmos na ye mo lebna no ma omo ye adwuma e wo sa company so ban dan said ye best change omo e de ama e president e party ni wo ti ya ni na assembly property na
okay but orawusu say e ba sa na monto yi ba so a mon croford do wo sen na likely e be affect wo mo
ni ya the see no omo nya empa figure bia entuga e no na akoye ayam hihie no
okay
nta akoye se wo sori anopa na wo kwaduma woni say either say be you adi ende ana ye be you adi akira and America no ya handi Talo and the Cosmos no omo nye direct union members of us but so far as they belong to the fraternity the members din so omo ya support service omo ne Talo omo ye eduma no mo so e ka omo ho omo mpanimfo ama indication say because of the air cost water they would like to cut down but this no a figure has not even come out enable us to ascertain say figure different you and an department but 10 year air cost number no a better but I can't put a figure on it.
Okay, but Bijiri say when you are likely to meet the various stakeholders. It's a National Labour Commission and you are how soon and mu ratio on this very issue?
Yeah, I started a year to an amount and an amount be and then the issue of the technician at the Casa say a Bible penny for 18 that the air cost no Omoma or mining na air cost. Say they are an amobi or also at the National Union. Yes, right. They to Eddie Abua, the president. But before man, let's say a tuma a worker and a ha, mobile be 2 any 1 more year oil and wait to man. Your best friend. That's all mobile number the year, said man, kind of movie said to man. Young fire who enjoy the union. Said they are the assembly back, not a player union. A bit right then, Abemuna bedding, Abebwa. There is a trend that is going on. Say at the oil sector, no. Amount for preventing for some training union. Ama this one training union not a bit to yana 18. Say you bit my heading, Abuaw. into the way they use to get to tsunami country or mining. So we are tomorrow oil and gas company in my try. So to over a million. Said they are similar to us on the bed. Everything up one.
Rose Mamino was in the offense here.
That's the prime minister. Count on negative.
Reverend also a chairman, General Transport Petroleum and Chemical Workers Union of TUC Ghana. And meneno atwetwe and common
CJ.
Hey.
CJ.
I like that. Yeah.
Okay, CJ. Umami fufodi di ane CJ. Na yene dry there CJ. Mekano local what to say. Na CJ. Happy birthday and comma Lady Lois Ninkra Boahin. Our Penfield School, yeah, war Yarifa. Where the 8 years. Lady Lois Ninkra Boahin. If you name me, and then papa, honomo, and ne papa after the Ninkra Boahin, and anema me, Annette Ninkra Boahin. So man, happy birthday. And a baba, just say, what ye, yes, sa a kuma. Tete, happy birthday, enko emfa mano. Eti sije me
that's it.
Meja o bisa ma hu se case bi ba.
Akua case ya eba ni say
Moses of
tie
Moses from ani ba.
Afie ya ye wom ya July 70 ya. Every 27th July to 31st July 2020. International Lesbian, Gay, Bisexual, Trans and Intersex Association. One headquarters was South Africa. Gay
LGBT for no.
Thank you. One by conference in Kraya, Ghana.
One headquarters way.
South Africa.
Where you draw Mozu? You draw Mozu.
One more by conference Ghana ha. I didn't know Ghana ha. And watch him. You say ya to Musa Yanjim Tumu. Wabani Bema, Bema ni Bema.
This is not the first time I had to some by conference on him. Sabre noa na me hot FM ni sika ebi say sorry and yes one mo by conference case sabre na me nua be ma na woni ha say Saturday say tigodi obehun Saturday na wadwane akwata no we set na edi animu kwan a ankosiaga eti we nkosiaga
Lawyer Moses for amweni lawyer good morning
Minya me na every day if you are who are the we are both suspect. Local Ghana for your much in Ghana, infinite.
But lawyer, near Baba, I said, what I remember me too.
Here, I'm off the air with a radio station, the Eastern region.
Okay.
That here, someone producer like that. Also, lawyer, you called me off the line. You real program, no, me. Also, lawyer, make me touch yourself. Yeah, media, where you can home, I have a platform, no, LGBT for no create. In so much be the fire, you are conquering, you are meeting. Then I make us one, you are made a
hey,
here I go. Or see Ghana for media, pumping for home. Then check where the woman lady. Oh, dear, and as someone who can, you have to be careful. You can watch him, you know.
Lawyer,
but Ghana for what you say. She did Ghana for your moon to there is only for the whole world to plan. Just LGBT form, they are about 0.001%. Now, essence of one more day, now almost pressure, no more media, minty, and a year to say the real thing watch. No, correct. There can't be more time over the 50-50. And you're not correct. But how can you say 99.999%? This 0.001% what?
Debbie.
Okay.
But lawyer looks like Oma target Ghana power. Clearly, who should be
Oma target here because women say we are the light of Africa. Now you to me, you to much now. Now that no so bad. If you are catching, they will President for 4 times. So better, I'm okay. And now everywhere, say you are okay. I could see saying,
sorry.
The guy said, President cry your more person. FL say, now a member
na body say we and bar around the wood and no wedding and go see who. But the material can say, well, no, as a Ghana for be a yodum. Why am I saying so? Simple mystery, Sankofa. Mr. Sankofa, a South African word and not a Italian word and a block.
A Ghanaian word.
Aha. Now, yeah, master dialogue series, no, yeah, Eastern River edition and rap. Now, over here, I'm going to put him out to a man. It's as a doctor, the Sankofa. Ghana, Yaman, doctors will be for the idea. I the couple. Am I or mine way the 2 and no, now, Papa. Now, LGBTQ, no, Ghana is not part of our custom. It is not part of our practice. It's then out here, Papa. As I say, I got say, wow, who can't answer you? Who name you are ignorant, or you are just rude. Who person who you do want to suspect us, and nothing we use that word, Sankofan. What part motive? Now, don't worry. At the right time, resolution here passing and a coalition, executive council, president were 2 points, Obape, Christian council, presiding chairperson, Family Bishops Conference. Your friend, the president, all the top ecumenical groups here, together with the Muslim groups and I him, president. Now, the Santa actually, I can assure Ghanaians that this so-called conference will not happen today or tomorrow. Rather, the press and neighbor to politicians. This year, election year, Mona must say more beton and through your manifestos and chair and the Adom 106.3 committee, MPP party committee say, or manifesto. The best say MPP need all the other political parties. Mo manifesto, you have to tell us your response to this LGBTQ issue. Next year, John, for your friend, the National Youth Organizer, one youth organizer, and you
Nanabi,
and the other organizers, they cannot run away from this issue. The MPP, this ruling government, they have the highest spiritual and moral duty to lead on this matter. They cannot run away from it. I didn't make that because only the Yankupas president or the Yankupas said the battle is the Lord. David as someone will catch a Goliath, and then a president, they can't yet. The president, as I look at the extent of the victory, I can say, oh, Yankupon, they did to me, no, I say a president, any MPP. So, Yankupon, MPP, new president, Wapamu, and I keep on telling the MPP, they should be very careful. So, man, you're careful, not start Pamu and Yankupon, did to me and Yankupon, they are so Montano. So, Omoya, you lower it in any way. As for me, I know the consequences. But beginning said there are a lot of good people within the party who make sure that the right things are done. But President Jemidi said this sort of thing will happen. As soon as he comes, we meet him. I think the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, so the directives should be given because no visas will be issued to come and conduct illegal matters in Ghana. At least the minimum can say, oh, freedom of association. And I'm a question, okay, freedom of association, and we check you, many of a Kramanda association. We can have the association and come and meet in Ghana. Many we can have India and that Adom association. Meaning, can we do that?
No.
You can only get a freedom of association. You can only associate for legal purposes. Now, my memo example, be which Ghanaians can relate to. Ghana Football Association was an association incorporated for good purpose. And so, if I say, I buy no say, the association, and the so the government went to court to dissolve that association.
No, correct.
So even if you are incorporated for good purposes, if you begin to use those associations for illegal purposes, that association can be wound up. You better under the law. And you will be considered as freedom of association, gay and lesbian activities that are illegal or done. You can have that association. That's the department said. So a lawyer to the rule. But the degree in the word you're going to create, it means it doesn't understand or appreciate the law. There's no way something which is illegal we can have that association meeting here.
Lawyer, what are me lawyer, but ye freedom of association, the issue of human rights.
You can't say human rights. Human rights. You say, I dear Adom Onipa Baseli, what what is dignifying about Bemade, the Bema Beshu to work as a tool? I mean, Canada for who? What is dignifying about it? What is dignifying about it? Like I said, it's human rights. In the first place, as I said, Dana Hano, Yamambe, the Kunini of the US Constitution, which is 1992 Constitution, a chapter on human rights. There's nothing there granting human rights to sexual orientation. It's not there. Under the Criminal Code, Section 104 of our Criminal Offences Act, on natural criminal knowledge, the criminal offence, sodomy is an offence. But they are prosecuted in control under sodomy and alloquum in this country. At the international level, the European Court of Human Rights, 3 years ago, they have ruled as some this same issue that same-sex marriages, you are breaching international law. This was the issue before the European Court of Human Rights. And the European Court of Human Rights, it is the biggest human rights court in the whole world. That issue was heard for over 1.5 years. 1.5 years. They went through anthropology, sociology, psychiatry, almost every detail, law book. There were 47 judges. About 47, you can't achieve with them.
And they are 9 soon.
47 judges. Same-sex marriages are now homosexuality. It is not a human right. That was the holding of the court. Holding 1. Holding 2, listen. So maybe on this same-sex marriages to 1. He has not breached any international law in relation to discrimination or equality. And the lawyer said a human right. I'm also so who him the worker said they be almost and no na catcher says so was hard to anymore. Yeah, coalition. There were holistic sexual therapy unit. Ya te e woda yentre hospital ko e wo ba e be boa me papa no afi sa te enemy na trumutu mo di enya de papa. Engineer human right.
Lawyer, madam, I say, I'm sorry, I'm saying, but I'm not where he tipa.
It's all me here. One of my men. It's like also done in what you do. But my main can simply answer my phone.
Okay. Okay.
Something we are once in a while, no much what you mean. Almost said that. But you see, I know that the coalition no here. It's answer. We are putting together a national dialogue series. Bema Nsem Ghana as o mine that dream a ship was answered because we are beginning no mo be kind of Professor next time and a Cameroon can say oh my yes one yeah mamu 8 and only international relations and check and a human rights well we play human rights they now working and a court here no more than a year because of from Berry recently last year a comprehensive sexuality. Hey, the Kana. Didn't not be in general and no more pretend the Yemen after your church room and the make us 9 o'clock. Yeah, the Ghana Education Service under the Office of Ministry of Education. The Omode by I can't say you can't do no more things in the almost so much fucking high. Yes, a new paradigm for a curriculum for sexual education in Ghana. And no crown, even the youth policy, the share, we are pursuing of our draft youth policy. Even though the Ministry of Education itself has abandoned comprehensive sexuality education, the youth policy draft, pursuing, comprehensive sexuality among the youth, it should happen. Why should that be the case? So it means that in research there's a disjunct between the president, the Wakase MO, we don't want it, we don't need it. But under the National Youth Agency, right now, that's good policy. Why did that happen? Policy, they objected to it, and it was said but because the whole thing was being sponsored by UNFPA, well, we are working to remove it. from it. Now, the another person they can say, all these things are happening, and then almost on their conference. The question is, what is the comprehensive national policy towards this whole LGBT phenomenon? From the youth policy angle, from the educational angle, the theological angle, the educational angle, the health angle. And they have no time. The evidence is clear. Say, one of the fastest ways to transmit HIV/AIDS is through what we call reductive anal sex. Say, getting involved in gay activities, never sexual. It is the fastest way to transmit AIDS. In your Bissau, Ghana AIDS Commission last year, AIDS Day, World AIDS Day. When you what is AIDS Commission, Omoka mode of transmission, gay activities. Never said. When you what is Omoka happen? When you maybe so what is Omoka happen? Good. So ask yourself, why is the National AIDS Commission not talking about these issues? Okay. Which means that even our institutions, they have been compromised. National AIDS Commission, Mr. Commissioner, one year careful, no benya fracas. The statutory body, you are duty bound to put that information out to Ghanaians. This is scientific data. You are trauma. Unfortunately, still among can here. The Baba office. They know about being for more on the quiet. So when no man hear what your statutory duties enjoin you to do, Ghana will hold you responsible. Okay. I'm trying to make you see that generally, even our policy direction is wrong. And nothing like a national dialogue is made possible. So that information and knowledge that you want to be everyone to play, then the whole country will reach a consensus on all these issues.
Okay.
Now they are coming bind. Okay. So that the policy, when it comes to youth, we know what to do. When it comes to education, we know what to do. When it comes to the way our government officials should behave, then they know what to do. And now we had the issue.
Hello, lawyer. Lawyer Moses Famweni and I know actually train Komono. And now me the corruption watch ebebreo. May the corruption watch ebebreo. Na and then you assume Adom Nsem. Yebekaya 2005. And a Ghana for a 9944. Yekun womo ya o Gambia. Ghana 444. Yekun womo ya o Gambia. Ama samne beye ho yete Jamen to Justice Ghana Coalition campaign. Bobo wa ka samwa edi kwani aba ma fei Gambia ba ni betu $500,000. $500,000 no ebusia maku 44 no a wo hwere o ma de hie kwanya ye fa so tete sa sika ne de ma o sika ne ye de den ehe na we koi why na nya say anapay corruption watch ye beti ni nyina na fe so menya brantie bi ofie ha sabre 2005 no wa Gambia hobby la no nyagopo na di ni ho afofi mo nya ni trididim anapay ono so mene ne bekasa na beto asum meba
afifufro bia de akwanya